Until the photographer captured this move, for me, it was a throwaway move. But the capture that this photographer got of me in this move made me rethink it. And so now it's one that I find, when you can get it to look right, I find it valuable. So with almost everything with pole holds and moves, angles are everything, which has a lot to do with why we like the spin pole, because when you get on the spin pole, if you don't like the angle, well, wait for it to come around a couple revolutions, you'll get something that you like. It's a little harder to get that same, good angle with the static pole, but when you do, it can be very beautiful. So here is the bow and arrow pose, and here is 2 ways to get into it, one from the bottom and one from the top. The reason that you do one or the other is just if you like the effect. I personally like the effect that you get when it's from the bottom with the feet touching the floor. So you're going to want to, if you're doing it from the bottom, you're going to want to pencil lift. And once you're in pencil, hook your foot. And then you're going to extend into a split. Really try to arch your back as hard as you can. And then straighten both legs and extend that split as much as you can. Okay? Straighten and push hard. When you're done, come back up in crucifix. Or slide into whatever you want. You can take it to an elbow hold. You can actually, for bow and arrow, you can bring the foot down, take it down, and slide it, and get some floor work in. So however you want to do that. From the top, it's going to look like this. You're going to be up already in figure 4. Grab and release. Hook the foot that you want and extend into the split. Now, because you started from aerial, you may not be able to get the foot all the way to the floor. That's okay. Anyhow, when you're done,